In this video, I'm going to talk about how to have daily notes and also how to enable this calendar in Obsidian. And then we're going to connect these things together. For example, if you click on this, it is going to open the corresponding daily note of that date. And also, it is going to create the corresponding daily note of each day when you open Obsidian. And this is a very cool thing. So let's do that. So first of all, I want to create a folder. So here I right click and new folder. And let's suppose that I want to name it, for example, journal. And then on this folder, I right click. And again, I want to create another folder. And let's name it daily notes. And I press enter. So I have this folder. But now we should tell Obsidian that we want to enable daily notes and we want to store them in this folder. So for doing so, I go to settings. And after that, as you can see here in core plugins section, as you can see, we have daily notes. So I click on it. And first of all, we should specify the new file location. Okay, what is the new file location of daily notes? So I should specify that. And as you can see, this is my daily notes folder. So I click on it. And also I want to enable this as well, open daily notes on a startup. And by doing so, by enabling it, from now on, whenever I open Obsidian, it is going to open the corresponding daily notes of that date. So that's why I want to enable this as well. And after that, let's close this. It is going to save all of those stuff. You don't want to do anything else. It is going to, when you close that window, it is automatically going to save all this stuff. So now I want to test it. So let's close this and let's open Obsidian again. So as you can see, it opens the daily note of today, which is this one. So as you can see on a startup, it is going to open the corresponding daily notes of that date. And now here, if I open this folder by clicking on it, as you can see, we have this note as well. And as you can see here, it says the same thing. It says, this note is located in the journal folder and also in the daily notes subfolder. And this is the name of that note. But now we want to enable the calendar in Obsidian. And by doing so, we can click, for example, on a specific date. And by doing so, we can go to the corresponding daily note of that specific date, which is a very good thing. So for doing this, I should go to settings. And after that, I go to community plugins. And it says, oh, are you sure that you want to install some plugins? Yes, I'm sure. And it says that you should be careful about what plugins you're going to install and these kinds of things. And I'm sure and I'm careful. So I want to turn on community plugins. So after that, I click on this browse because I want to browse some plugins. And these are the top downloaded ones. And as you can see, one of them is calendar. So I click on it. And the other way is basically just searching for the calendar plugin. So I click on it and I install it. And I should wait for installing this plugin. And after successfully installing the plugin, I need to enable it. There we go. As you can see, it has been enabled. So I close this and I close this. And I click on this in order to open this side panel. And now if I, grab this and make it bigger, as you can see here, I have this calendar icon. And if I click on it, as you can see, this is the calendar. And we can go to different dates, for example, different months. And also, if I click on this, I go to the corresponding month of today, which is October. And as you can see for today, it has a dot. It means that it already has a daily notes for this date. So if I click on it, and as you can see, it opens the corresponding daily note of that date. But for example, for this date, it doesn't have any daily note, but you can create a daily note. For example, if I click on it, it says, oh, are you sure that you want to create a daily note for that date? And I say, okay, yeah, I'm sure. So I press create in order to create that note. And as you can see now, it has a dot. It means that there is a note for that specific date. And by doing so, for example, we can go to future dates. For example, suppose that the birthday of your mother is, for example, this day. So I click on it and it says, do you want to create that note? Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I want to create that. And for example, I can simply remind myself by saying mom's birthday, for example. And there you go. As you can see, we have a kind of future log that you can have in Obsidian, for example, for different events and so on. And maybe you ask, can we have a template for our daily notes? Yes, you can have a template for your daily notes. For example, let me show you my own vault. This is my own vault. And by the way, this is Persian, which is my native language. That's why it's right to left. And let's suppose that, for example, I go to this calendar plugin. And suppose that I want to, for example, create, for example, a note for tomorrow. So I click on this and it says, do you want to create that? Yes, of course, I want to create that. So as you can see, it automatically create this note based on a template, and we are going to talk about how to do so in future videos of this playlist. And another thing is that, for example, if you close all of these things, and for example, if you go to, for example, today, the corresponding month of today, and for example, if you right click on this, and if you click on this, reveal file in navigation, if I click on it, as you can see, it shows the corresponding file in this navigation panel. And if I click on it, I can open that note. This was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of Obsidian. You can find the link to that playlist in the description below. And also we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.